today's Canva quick tip, I'm going to look at what's new in Docs. So what's up, Doc? I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Let's go across to my screen and we'll look at some of the new features. Just as a reminder, when you want to find Docs, it's right up here at the top, and you can just click on that. I have one I opened earlier. I'm going to quickly flip to that. What's new in Canva Docs? Or, as I said, what's up, Docs? What has been added is some fantastic new templates, specially designed for Docs. If I click over here on my left-hand side, you can see the templates, and now you'll see the Docs templates. And there's some amazing ones. Let's just click on See All. And you can see the fantastic styles that have been developed and added to make your life even easier in terms of designing. Reading lists, meal planners, gratitude journals, to-do lists, press releases, design briefs, lots of helpful stuff. And when you look at them in detail, they're even better because they have some really good outlines to help you. Let's have a look at a couple of things, and let's look at an onboarding plan. So I just click on that and it says replace the design with the new template. And I can click on replace. I can click the don't show again button, but obviously I want to show you at this stage. And I now have an amazing onboarding plan. I can change any of the copy on this. I can change the style of it. This is in the Canva font, and I can change it to my own font style by using my blanket. I can put team members' names in the photographs, which is really useful for someone new starting. You can put in team meetings and dates and tools, milestones, first month calendar, and notes. A very good outline as well for the basic document. And there's one that's a project overview. And click on that, click replace. And it gives you a really good project outline. You have a project name, what it's about, visual image, and the name of the project manager, the leader, the members, the teams, the budget, and the timeline. And then the project details of the background, the goals, the objective and scope, and the deliverables, and any obstacles that you might encounter. And then you've got the project approval. Very useful information. KPIs. I think these are all incredibly useful business documents. And there are loads of others. I just think Canva has done an excellent job in pulling these all together. And now I'll click Don't Show Again and just replace. Do lists with your tasks, tasks here, started, progress, blocked or done, the task details, when it's due, the deliverables. You can add in more and more and more tasks. And the milestones and rewards. I like the rewards. Treating myself to a drink, buying my favorite meal for lunch, taking a vacation this weekend. There's some great things here. And I know that Canva's just going to add more and more templates. You'll be able to use these in your docs. And at the bottom, there's some educational ones for lesson plans. I think there's some great designs that you can use as a starting point for your Canva doc, and then you can change it to your style and your design and your colors using your blanket. I hope that helps. And if you found this video useful, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week.